Think you're a science GK champion. Let's see. Only 1% of people can answer all 25 questions correctly. Stay till the end and test your knowledge. Question 1. What is the C unit of force? A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D. Pascal. The correct answer is option B. Newton. Question 2. Which instrument measures electric current? A. Voltmeter. B. Ammeter. C. Barometer. D. Thermometer. The correct answer is option B. Ammeter. Question 3. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A. 3 times 10 to the power of 6 meters per second. B. 3 times 10 to the power of 7 meters per second. C. 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. D. 3 times 10 to the power of 9 meters per second. The correct answer is option C. 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Question 4. Which force pulls objects toward Earth? A. Magnetic force. B. Friction. C. Gravity. D. Tension. The correct answer is option C. Gravity. Question 5. Which mirror is used in vehicle rearview mirrors? A. Concave mirror. B. Convex mirror. C. Plane mirror. D. Cylindrical mirror. The correct answer is option B. Convex mirror. Question 6. Which energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? A. Kinetic energy. B. Heat energy. C. Elastic potential energy. D. Sound energy. The correct answer is option C. Elastic potential energy. Question 7. What is the C unit of power? A. Joule. B. Watt. C. Volt. D. Ohm. The correct answer is option B. Watt. Question 8. Sound cannot travel through A. Air. B. Water. C. Steel. D. Vacuum. The correct answer is option D. Vacuum. Question 9. Which color has the longest wavelength? A. Violet. B. Blue. C. Green. D. Red. The correct answer is option D. Red. Question 10. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? A. OX. B. O. C. OG. D. ON. The correct answer is option B. O. Question 11. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is option C. Oxygen. Question 12. What is the pH of pure water? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. The correct answer is option C. 7. Question 13. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Iron. B. Mercury. C. Copper. D. Zinc. The correct answer is option B. Mercury. Question 14. What is the chemical formula of carbon dioxide? A. CO. B. CO2. C. C2O. D. CO3. The correct answer is option B. CO2. Question 15. Which gas is used to fill balloons? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option C. Helium. How many answers have you got right so far? Comment your score below. Don't leave now. The toughest questions are still coming. Question 16. Which acid is found in lemons? A. Sulfuric acid. B. Citric acid. C. Hydrochloric acid. D. Nitric acid. The correct answer is option B. Citric acid. Question 17. What is the chemical symbol for silver? A. Si. B. Ag. C. Sr. D. Au. The correct answer is option B. Ag. Question 18. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Skin. D. Brain. The correct answer is option C. Skin. Question 19. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? A. Brain. B. Liver. C. Heart. D. Kidney. The correct answer is option C. Heart. Question 20. What is the basic unit of life? A. Tissue. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. Atom. The correct answer is option C. Cell. Question 21. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A. A+, B. B+, C. AB+, D. O-. The correct answer is option D. O-. Question 22. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is option D. Vitamin D. Question 23. Which organ filters blood and produces urine? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Lungs. The correct answer is option B. Kidney. Question 24. Which part of the plant absorbs water from the soil? A. Leaf. B. Flower. C. Root. D. Stem. The correct answer is option C. Root. Question 25. Which blood cells help fight infections? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. D. Plasma. The correct answer is option B. White blood cells. How many did you answer correctly? Comment your final score. If you scored 20 or more, you're a Science GK champion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKGS GK Education for more amazing quizzes.